What is good, guys? It's Ray J back with another video, and in this one I want to talk about an exchange between Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg. I'm also going to talk about the share prices for many different tickers out there, especially for Tesla. But let me first say that I am not a financial planner, and don't forget about the Moomoo link, which is down below and in the description. To all friends in just 2 days. Anyways, we're seeing all these headlines coming out about this very bizarre exchange between Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg. I was looking at the news and I'm seeing this making all the headlines, so I just wanted to call this out, just talk about this, what's going on with this. It's nothing too crazy. Basically, there's a message by Snoop Dogg. He made a post on X, and this is just like a video he sent. And he said, and I quote, "This is a message for Elon Musk. Nephew, I need a Tesla. One of your people came to my show and told me they was going to get me one. Still waiting. Do I have to buy one or are you going to send me one?" So he basically asked that question. And then Elon Musk responded and he said that everyone is essentially paying for Tesla, including me. So he said right over here. And I actually have the tweet right over here from Elon Musk. Everyone pays full price for a Tesla, including me. He responded to Snoop Dogg in this video right here, which is where the message was sent. So Musk is saying this. Now, the reason why this is important is because Musk is very important and very, very fixated on the pricing of the Teslas. He's basically saying that they're not going to give special discounts. When they give discounts, it's for the entire range of the models. It's not just for one special person or anything like that. Musk is very serious about this, and I just want to call that out. Now let's talk about Tesla. We're still hovering very close to this 192 area. Our next support below that's in this 190 range. We're just range trading. I was telling everyone to watch Tesla pull back just a little bit. We pulled back, kind of retested this liquidity zone in this 194 to 195 area. If we're coming back down, we're showing a little bit of weakness, but overall, I would say Tesla's still holding up. As long as we're above 190, we're doing just fine. So it's just range trading so far, guys. Make sure you watch support. Hasn't really done too much. Watch this range very, very carefully. What about for SPY? It's very choppy right now. It's still holding up very, very well. Nonetheless, I was trying to break out right here. If we break this high, we're going to be testing 502 very, very soon. If we manage to break the high right here, which we're trying to do. So I do see 502 coming. And then for support, you're going to be testing this 501.6 area. And below that, we have 501 flat down here. If we lose 501 and continue to hold below it, because today we actually bounced off our 5-minute 50 EMA and we held up nicely. But if we lost that, we do have a risk of coming closer to 500. Hasn't done that yet, and overall it's still trying to push. So look and see if we can get close to 502. On the QQQ, it came down very close to the trend line. It was actually off by about 30 cents, but it came close. Now it's trying to push again. Watch resistance at 438. If we try to break this, there's 439 and 440. 440 being a bigger resistance. So far, it's still favoring the bulls a little bit more. Nvidia is trying to push up as well. This thing was even stronger than what I was expecting. I thought it would pull back just a bit and try to bounce. We did pull back and bounce, but it actually managed to break above 430. So it did come down to fill this gap. It actually filled this gap just as we predicted. Then we got a nice bounce after that. We're pushing up very strongly again to new all-time highs once again. And we're going to be approaching essentially 740. Above that, we have the mid 745 area, followed by 750 coming next. So far it's looking very strong, very, very bullish. There's nothing changing. And last but not least, there's Aapl. Aapl is actually kind of flat right now at 188, but if we continue to fail to hold 188, there is this head and shoulders like structure that could lead to a bearish move. So be very careful with Aapl. Not looking the strongest, so be careful. Let's see how well it holds 188. If we close below that, a bigger drop is coming to 186.5. There's a head and shoulders, but wait for confirmation just to be safe. All right, guys, that's your quick update. Thank you all so much for listening. Have a great day and peace out.